Hello everyone, hello my creative friends. Today I am going to share something beautiful story about Xmas. And we also have shared beautiful ideas of Xmas, beautiful decoration ideas of Xmas. Every year, the small village of Pinebrook waited for the summer to arrive. The snow hung the rooftops and the pine trees glitter and the air smelled of cinnamon and the warm smiles. But among all the festive homes, there stood one tiny wooden house at the edge of the forest, quite lonely and covered in dust. People called it the silent house. No one had lived there for many years. People called it the silent house. Its windows were dark, its chimney cold, and its little garden was filled with dry leaves. Children often peeked through its old fence but quickly ran back, wondering why Xmas lights never shone there. But this year something magical was about to happen. Lucy, a gentle 11-year-old girl with big curious eyes, had recently moved to Pinebrook with her mother. She loved Xmas, every light, every song, every handmade craft. One evening, while collecting pine cones for decoration, Lucy noticed the silent house. Why doesn't this house celebrate Xmas? She whispered. Her mother smiled softly. Maybe it's waiting for someone who believes in magic. Lucy thought about that all night. The next morning, she gathered jute-rope, burlap cloth, pinecone, and red berries she found in the woods. She crafted a small burlap Xmas tree and tied a little lace bow on it. Then, braving the cold, she tiptoed to the silent house's porch and hung her decoration on her door. The house, still and forgotten, seemed to sigh gently, as if thanking her. The next day, Lucy brought another handmade ornament, a mini star wrapped in jute rope. She placed it beside the first decoration. That night, something unbelievable happened. From the dusty window of the silent house, a tiny soft glow appeared. Not bright, not loud, just a faint, warm light, like a little walking from a long sleep. Lucy ran to her mother's room. Mom, the house is not silent anymore. Her mother looked outside and smiled. Maybe kindness lights things we think are broken.